akong event dito. The first one was held last year. So, protocol observed, kami po to thank Philippine Red Cross, Batangas Chapter Branch, under the Chapter Administrator Ronald Generoso. Nag-rating.
Ang second Green Commanders Cup Airsoft Talents 2025.
Camaraderie with one another. Kasama yung iba natin mga bagong reservists po dito. 25
and discussion of the Tactical Operations Wing Reserve Southern Luzon Command 2025. Thank you, sir.
So, kumbaga sa active kami ay nagkakaroon ng targeted recruitment. So, ang ating reserve force will also have that. And logisticians that would actually manage itong mga units na bubuksan in the near future or i-activate. Okay? So, yun lang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat and I hope
And Floreto I. Solano, Philippine Air Force Reserve, General Staff Corps.
Thank you. Please take seat. Totoo mukha ng volunteerism at sacrifice at passion. Tignan nyo lang si Sir Rudy. Hindi mo na kailangan lahat. Also kay Captain Vilalares, pagpuntan mo kayong araw. So, mga event ko si John B, may mga sinabi si XO, ako naman, time and again, ulit-ulit lang na kung ano kinakailangan ng situation,